Have you ever wondered how you see some people's Facebook ads all the time in your Facebook newsfeed? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to dive into exactly how that is done, showing some real live examples straight from my real estate Facebook advertising account. So stay tuned. BrianKGibbs.com. Okay, so I'm back at my computer here, and I want to share with you one of the ways that we are able to stay in front of our audience on Facebook, and that is through creating custom audiences. So if you take a look at the screen here, there are a few different types of custom audiences that you can create inside of the Facebook Advertising Manager. The first one is a customer file. Basically, that's where you upload the email addresses or even phone numbers of customers that you have in your database directly to Facebook, and then you are able to run ads specific to those customers. The next one is website traffic, and basically that is when a person clicks to your website, you can put a piece of code on your website that tracks the person that clicks there, and then you are able to run ads specific to the people that have visited your website. Next one is app activity. I have not personally used that one, but if you have an app, there is a way that you can retarget people in regards to your app. Again, I have not personally used that one. The next one is offline activity, which I have not used either. But if you do have a brick and mortar type business, there are some strategies that you can use inside of that option. And then finally, we have engagement, and that is people that have engaged in some way or form with your Facebook page. So I want to go into a few of the audiences that I have personally created. The first one here is video retargeting. So basically on Facebook, when somebody watches your video, you are able to go back and run ads specific to those people that watched a certain amount of your video. And so you can see here we have a few different options. The first one is somebody that has viewed 3 seconds of your video. The next one, someone 10 seconds. Then 25%, 50%, 75%, and 95%. What this means is that when you upload a video to Facebook and somebody watches 3 seconds or more, if you choose the 3-second option, you can run ads specific to those people. At the other end of the extreme, if you upload a video or multiple videos, and somebody has watched 95% of those videos, you can actually go in and run ads specific to those people. So here is a real live example inside of my Facebook advertising account. And what I've done here, you can see I am looking at people that have watched 95% of my videos. And what I actually did on this particular audience is I put people that have watched 95% of any one of my videos. Okay, so if you take a look there on the screen, you can see the plus 118. So basically, this particular audience is people that have watched any one of my 100 plus videos, but they had to watch at least 95% of it. Right now in this audience, I actually have around 5,000 people. So there are 5,000 people that have watched at least 95% of one of my videos, and I can put ads specific to those people. Now you can see there is a time frame for this. It goes back for the past 365 days. And then of course you can name your audience here as well. The next example is somebody that has engaged with your page. And in this particular one, this is my page, and it's people that have engaged with my page in the past 365 days. So an engagement can be a lot of different things. Facebook classifies an engagement as clicking on a picture, liking a post, sharing a post. There's lots of different things that Facebook considers an engagement. But when a person does engage with your page, it will put that person into this audience where you can go back and you can run ads specific to those people. In this particular audience right now, I've built it up to right at about 16,000 people in the past 365 days that have engaged with my page. So when I run an ad specific to those 16,000 people, the ad only shows to those 16,000 people that have engaged with my page. Okay, so the final example I want to share with you today is the custom audience you can create of anybody that goes to your website. So basically, if you post a link on your Facebook page, the person clicks that link and that link takes them to your website. You can now retarget the person that visited your website and run ads directly to that person. This particular audience goes back a maximum of 180 days. And in this particular audience right now, I have about 1,000 to 2,000 people in this audience size. So you have now seen 3 examples of powerful strategies of how you can build custom audiences inside of Facebook. So when you see a person's ad come through your Facebook newsfeed over and over, typically they are creating custom audiences and then running ads back to those audiences, and you happen to be in one of those audiences. So this is a very, very powerful strategy that you can implement into your real estate business. Okay, so I hope you found value in this course. If so, please share it. Also, if you want to dive deeper, I do have a course. Just click the link around this video. It'll give you all the details. I'll go into, actual ad setup. I'll actually show and dive deep into some of the ads that have worked best for me, including the ad that was generated and created for the information that I just showed previously. I'll have that on there as well. Again, it's a full course for Facebook ads specific to real estate agents and realtors, as I am an agent and a realtor myself here in Georgia. So click the link and I'll see you on the next video. BrianKGibbs.com